Hey guys, my name's Kyle. I'm with GoDo. I'm here to give you a tour of our anchor kit. Now, the number one thing we prioritized in this anchor kit was creating a very compact kit. You know, we didn't want some really big anchor floating around in the boat making it hard to use. This is a laser cut 304 stainless steel. Some of the features that may look different than other anchors available on the market is we have a reverse roll bar there to save size as well as to reinforce our shank. And we also have a very short shank. Now this still is a very fast setting anchor, and this is also a stainless steel thimble, and this is a quick release stainless shackle, so that if you need to store this separately or use this as a dock line, it's ready for that as well. Now the number one thing we are actually the most proud of about this kit is not the anchor itself, but is actually the bag. Now, I don't know how many anchor bags you've used, but I tell you, it can be darn hard to get an anchor in and out of a bag. And so we have this really big, wide open mouth here. You see this vinyl that we have put in here? That helps it stay open and stay up. So it wants to stay vertical for you, and this makes flaking your line out and in a lot easier. Cinch closure. You'll notice that the line here is quite short. The reason for that is that on the inside of our bag is the same piece of high strength nylon webbing, and that is what actually supports the dead end of your anchor rod. So you never have to fish for it or go looking for it and attach it to your boat. Simply tie the bag to your boat and know that your anchor is secure on its 100 feet of nylon line. The last feature we'd like to point out to you is the Fiffer-Tex bottom. Now, the biggest advantage of this Fiffer-Tex bottom is it allows you to rinse that anchor really easily. You can just literally grab the bag and dunk the anchor in and out of the ocean, or if you want to rinse this with fresh water, you pop the bag open and simply spray it down from above. You don't have to get anything out or put anything back. Those are the main features of our GoDo anchor kit. You can order one from our website or from your local dealer.